Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files using Dropbox, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. If you already have an account, click on sign in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will see your Dropbox homepage. To upload files, click on the upload button located in the top right corner. Select files from the drop-down menu. Browse your computer and select the files you want to transfer. Click Open to start the upload process. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, the files will appear in your Dropbox folder. To share these files, hover over the file you want to share and click on the Share button. In the sharing pop-up, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can also add a message if desired. Adjust the sharing settings to allow editing or just viewing. Click Send to share the files via email. If you want to create a shareable link, click on Create Link in the same pop-up. This will generate a link that you can copy and share through any platform. To access files on your mobile device, install the Dropbox app from your App Store. Log in with your credentials to view your files on the app. You can upload files from your mobile device using the plus button in the app. Select Upload Files to choose files from your device. Remember, you can organize your files into folders for easy access. To create a new folder, click on New Folder and name it appropriately. Drag and drop files into your new folder for better organization. To download files, click on the file you want, then click the Download button. This will save the file to your computer. Always ensure you have an internet connection for syncing changes. Regularly check your Dropbox storage to manage space effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.